welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us look at the most 5 improved players in the Orlando Pirates team in 2024. On number 5 we have Sipho Chain. Sipho Chain is a South African professional soccer player who plays a goalkeeper for the winning team Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League. Sipho Chain started his professional soccer journey at the Mamelodi Sundowns FC from 2015 to 2018. He was then signed to Polokwane City from 2018 to 2020. After 2020, he signed a 3-year contract with the Buccaneers, becoming a key player in the team. Sipho Chain has won the PSL Goalkeeper of the Season between 2020 and 2023, and he was the MTN 8 Cup last man standing. Lastly, he won the Nedbank Cup Golden Glove in 2020. Now let us move on to number 4, of which is Thabiso Lebitso. Thabiso Lebitso is a professional player who plays as a midfielder for the Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League. Thabiso Lebitso started his journey at the National First Division in Benoni United, where he served from 2016 to 2017. He then joined Ajax Cape Town from 2017 to 2018 after he was signed by the Bloemfontein Celtic from 2018 to 2022. Then at the year of 2022, that's where he joined the Buccaneers and signed a 3-year contract. Lebitso has won the goal of the season in 2023 against Kaizer Chiefs in the Soweto Derby and became a Nedbank Cup most promising player. Now let us look at on our number 3, of which is Tsekofatso Mabaso. Tsekofatso Mabaso is a South African professional player who plays as a striker midfielder for Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League. Mabaso is a professional soccer journey started at Mamelodi Sundowns FC from the year of 2015 to 2016 as a reserve player and moved later to join Bloemfontein Celtic from 2016 to 2018. Thabiso Mabaso scoring 12 goals in 32 games appearance in 2018. He then moved to the current team, of which is Orlando Pirates, where his name was spread all over South Africa. Mabaso consistently in scoring and his PSL Golden Boots with 16 league goals in the campaign. Mabaso has won the PSL Golden Boots, scoring 16 goals and became Orlando Pirates Player of the Season. On number 2, we have Tito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi is a professional soccer player who plays a midfielder for the winning team Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League. Tito started playing at Polokwane City and played as a reserve team player from 2016 to 2018 and later moved to the first team, of which he joined the Chippa United from 2018 to 2020, where he gained experience in the Premier Soccer League. From 2020 till now, Tito signed a 3-year contract with the Buccaneers. Tito has claimed the DStv Premiership Player of the Season award, as well as the DStv Midfielder of the Season and the Nedbank Cup Player of the Tournament award. On number 1, we have Relebohile Mofokeng. Relebohile Mofokeng is also a professional soccer player who plays as a midfielder for Orlando Pirates Premier Soccer League. Mofokeng professional soccer journey started at Bloemfontein Celtic, where he played there as a reserve team player from 2018 to 2020. Then at 2020, he joined the big boys Orlando Pirates, where he signed a 3-year contract with the Buccaneers. This young man at the age of 20 has shown a significant growth, earning the Nedbank Cup Most Promising Player of the Season and the DStv Young Player of the Season. Mofokeng has also regarded as an impressive goal and assist record, who has a very significant impact on the team.